The combination of high-powered
destroyed
lasers
in
and
3
ultra-zoom
minutes.
cameras like the Nikon P900 have destroyed the globe narrative for those who are willing to open their eyes and see. Our flat Earth reality is evident, with demonstrable and repeatable testing that anyone can perform. As always, you don't have to take my word for it. Go out and test it yourself. As proven with engineering software, the globe model mandates that all bodies of water must have a noticeable degree of convexity and would drop away from the observer on all sides approximately 8 inches per mile squared, a mathematical expression that is very accurate up to even a distance of 1,000 miles. However, I'll be using an online globe curvature calculator like this one to make accurate calculations really simple with both observation heights and distances taken into consideration. The following laser test will prove that there is no globe Earth curvature and therefore no globe. Let's begin. For this test, Grota1 drove his snowmobile on a frozen lake with a green laser shining behind him. That's the same Grota1 who conducted this frozen lake colored light test, demonstrating a very flat frozen lake over a distance of 8 miles, which I'll discuss more in a subsequent video. But for this earlier test, Grota1 drove his snowmobile across a frozen lake while maintaining line of sight to the laser that was 2.4 feet above the lake's surface. With all successful laser tests, you need clear, consistent air without miraging and other atmospheric distortions and a direct line of sight like here. Defying the globe, Grota1 drove 7.5 miles and could still see the laser source as shown here and even the laser light shining on his hand. Under the globe, at that distance, he would have had to have been 21 feet high to see the laser source over the supposed frozen hump of curved water. Do you really think that frozen lakes have a giant frozen hump between two opposing shores? The nonsensical globe simply does not match reality. The next test was conducted by Flat Earth Perth in Australia. The laser was at 8.2 feet off of the water. The camera was 1.3 feet off of the water at a distance of 9.54 miles. The globe mass says that 24 feet should have been hidden behind the Earth's curvature. In contradiction to the globe model, you can most certainly see the laser source. This next laser test was conducted by D Marble at the Pacific Ocean. The laser was at a height of 7 feet off of the water and was 10 miles away from the observer. The laser source is so bright that D Marble was able to even film it with his cell phone. The globe mass states that at that laser height and distance, an observer would have to be 30 feet high to see the laser source. Debunking the globe model, D Marble brought his cell phone to just inches off of the calm water, and you can still see the laser source. Now, the propagandists have tried to claim that the laser source is only visible because the laser wasn't level. The argument is nonsense, as it is irrelevant. Under the globe, if the laser was angled downwards, you still wouldn't see the laser source as it would have been hidden behind the curved water. If the laser was angled upward, you still wouldn't see the bright laser source.